How to add transitions in VN Video Editor. Now in order to do that, just simply open VN Video Editor and create a project. Or if you have a draft created, just simply open that. And after opening or creating a project, you will get to see this page where if you have two clips, you will get to see this plus icon in between of them. Now in order to add the transition, just simply tap to this plus icon and then you can select the transitions from here. First one we have is black, then white, zoom 1, then many more transitions are available in here. For example, I will be using this black transitions, and as you can see here, it looks like this. You can also manage the duration of the transition from here. You can select how long should the transition take to transition to another clip, or you can use another such as dissolve like this. You can use the transitions very easily from here. Just simply select the transition that you want and tap to check mark. Like this, you can very easily add transitions in VN Video Editor. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.